In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change virtual background in Zoom on a laptop. This is a quick and easy way to make your video calls look cleaner, more professional, or just a little more fun. Zoom gives you a few built-in background options, and you can also upload your own image or video directly from your computer. To get started, open your Zoom account on your laptop. Once Zoom is open, go to the top right corner of the window and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, select Settings, and the Zoom Settings window will appear. Now look to the panel on the left side of the Settings window and click on Video and Effects. This is where Zoom keeps the controls for your camera appearance, filters, and background options. After that, click on the Virtual Backgrounds tab. In this section, you'll see several choices right away. Zoom typically gives you options like None, Blur, and a selection of built-in virtual backgrounds. If you choose None, your regular room or environment will stay visible. If you choose Blur, Zoom will soften your background while keeping you in focus, which is a good option if you want a cleaner look without using a full image. If you want a more customized appearance, you can choose one of Zoom's virtual backgrounds by simply clicking the one you like. As soon as you select it, the preview should update so you can see how it looks. If you want to use your own background instead, click the blue plus icon. Zoom will let you choose whether you want to upload an image or a video from your computer. This is helpful if you want to use a branded background, a specific photo, or a custom visual that matches the tone of your meeting. For this example, you can just use one of the backgrounds already provided by Zoom, since that's the fastest option. One helpful thing to notice is that some preview tiles may have a camera icon on them. If you see that icon, it means the background is animated or a video background rather than a still image. That can add a more dynamic look, but it may also use a little more system performance depending on your laptop. Once you click the background you want, your virtual background is set, and that's it. You've successfully changed your virtual background in Zoom on your laptop.